With this simple recipe, you can make the most refreshing homemade ginger ale with real ginger. The link in the description will have the details with the full written recipe. I start first with this fresh homemade ginger water. I'll also include the link for the candied ginger recipe I did recently so that you can see just how easy it is to make ginger water and ginger syrup. This particular batch I kept stored in the refrigerator, so I go ahead and measure it out and then go ahead and add it to my cup. Next, I add some fresh squeezed lime juice followed by some fresh squeezed lemon juice. It's important that the lime and lemon are both fresh squeezed. I tried using just bottled lemon and lime juice in the past and it's not good, so I don't recommend it. Always just make the extra effort to just squeeze some lemon and lime. So once I have my lemon juice inside, I go ahead and grab the ginger simple syrup. You can adjust according to your preference. This is a concentrated simple syrup because I made it with more sugar than water. It's not equal parts. So I feel it's pretty sweet enough with just 2 tablespoons, so that's what I use, but you can do your preference. I played around a bit to get the proportions of everything that I like, and I think it's good, but you can be the judge. So I go ahead and mix everything around, and then I'm going to be adding some chilled seltzer water. I think it's better when it's cold. In a lot of ways, the seltzer water is more fizzy, meaning the carbonation and bubbles are stronger when it's stored at a cold temperature. I mean, of course, I don't have proof of this or evidence, but this is just my opinion. And then I go ahead and stir it around one more time, and you can choose to add some ice or not, either way, it's ready to serve. I made this recipe so that 1 can of seltzer is the perfect amount to make 2 drinks. The drink has a nice, crisp, spicy ginger kick with a soft sweetness to balance it. I love making this drink because it's super easy to make, and obviously I get to feel great because I'm drinking something that's free from any artificial flavors or preservatives. We always tend to have seltzer water at home just because that's what my husband prefers to drink at baseline. But there is also sparkling water, which is, similar, but it has this natural carbonation, so the fizz tends to be more subtle, in my opinion. Seltzer water kind of has that forced or artificial carbonation, so to me, the bubbles tend to be much stronger. I prefer to make the ginger ale with seltzer water just because I do think that fizz or bubbles is much stronger. However, some people do say that really the carbonation amount is really just a brand specific thing. So feel free to just kind of experiment with whatever you prefer.